As you give the ignition switch, you have the alternator light and the oil pressure light.
Welcome back to my channel. Cars, when introduced in the late 1800s, were described as horseless carriages. In today's date, cars are described as sophisticated computers on four wheels, something that will drive on your behalf, park on your behalf, and now a common feature in all high-end cars also predict a crash on your behalf. We would like to have a glimpse in the past where cars were basic, electronics were absolutely limited, like this restored Ambassador Mark III by Mr. Chatterjee. Driving this car is like wearing an analog watch, with a room filled with people wearing smartwatches. If you look closely, everything from the basic keys to the steering wheel, to the analog speedometer, to the comfortable sofa designed benches, I won't call it seats, but these were sofa designed benches, to the gear integrated in the steering wheel, to the rock crackle the engine produces when she decides to start up, to the basic analog meter, everything in this feels so stock, right, and comfortable. This car is like an era of motoring that has passed by and will never come back. Obviously, with today's traffic and the speed expected on highways, this may not be a practical everyday car. But old cars are like listening to the Beatles. It completely relaxes and transforms you into the world that had existed. Now, coming back to the video, here's a detailed walk around of the Ambassador Mark III.
So hi Rustom, let me take you around the Ambassador 1975, which we just restored and which is my car. Here's the car. I'm taking all red round across the car. Here we have the new tires with the white wall inserts. Here's the rear position of the car. I'll show you one very good thing. Here's the boot. You complete the boot in this way. During 1975, the Mark III stepney used to be at the sides. Here's your right hand side. I'll show you the interior of the car right now. We've done tan color. The seat design is the design which used to come during 1975 with the white ceiling in it. Here's the original steering. In the middle is the indicator switch. There you have 3 meters and the light section. Light in the middle, the orange, blue, green and red. Red is for the alternator, green is for the indicator, blue is for the high beam, low beam, orange is for the oil pressure. Beside the light on your left is the amp meter and the fuel meter. You have tan suede carpets for the car. These are your door pads, with the rear having these types of handle. And I'll show you the front door. The front door had like a belt type of handle in it. Now let me just start the car for you and show you the car. As you give the ignition switch, you have the alternator light and the oil pressure light. And then once your car starts, all these lights are gone. I'll take you across to the engine side. Car is in start position right now. I'll now open the bonnet for you and show you. The original petrol engine which came during the 1975. These are the longer horns. Air filter, the radiator, air cleaner, wiring has been dressed up, done. So this is all about the Mark III, and very soon we'll show you a new project which is the Mark II coming up.